So welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Right now, I'm getting ready for work, but I'm just gonna bring you along for a few realistic days from this past week. This is pretty much my everyday simple makeup routine. I like to keep it really simple and just use a few neutral shades. I use a darker shadow as a soft liner instead of using anything too harsh. I don't like to wear foundation when I'm going to work, so I just use a little bit of a bronzing powder and then finish with chapstick because we're keeping the lips soft over here. So I have a laser hair removal appointment that I need to go to today. My appointment's at 10:45 a.m. and it's currently 9:35 a.m. So I'm just going to tidy up real quick, put these water bottles away, and then head out right after. Okay, so I stopped at Lowe's on my way back home and picked up 2 outdoor pots and some potting mix. I have a bit of a garden cleanup to do and some herbs to transfer into pots, so that's going to be my afternoon project for today. Before I go outside, I am going to make something quick to eat because this girl is so hungry. sage and rosemary have just been sitting in the corner with no sun, so they didn't really grow last year. So I'm going to move them into pots. Ugh, there's so much to clean out here right now.